Here's a number nobody tells you. You don't need 10,000 followers. You need 84 buyers at $12 to make your first $1,008. Not a course, not a personal brand. A simple digital download built in a weekend, with AI doing the heavy lifting. I'm Deepa. If you're stuck between a 9-to-5 and college deadlines, this is your shortcut. I'll show you how AI kills the two barriers. I'm not an expert and I don't have time, so you can ship your first product fast and faceless. Every guru's model demands what busy people don't have. YouTube or TikTok? Build your brand. That's years of daily posts. Course creation? Share your expertise. Be the authority first. Coaching? Monetize knowledge. You're the face. Affiliate marketing. Promote others. You need a huge audience. So you try, stall, and buy the next system. The wheel keeps spinning for them. The truth is, you don't need to be a professor or a full-time creator. You need a tiny, useful product that solves a specific problem and a system to make it today, not someday. Barrier 1, I'm not an expert. Dead. AI compiles research, drafts structure, formats the doc. You add judgment, examples, and taste. That's curation, not credentials. What you can ship faceless this weekend? Cheat sheets and guides, planners and templates, calculators and trackers, script packs and swipe files. Barrier 2, I don't have time. Obliterated. AI crushes the timeline. First draft in one sitting, clean formatting without design hell, and fast iterations from buyer feedback. Done beats perfect. Here's the 48-hour product sprint. Copy it. Day 1, morning. Pick a micro problem you've solved. Make it narrow and painful, like semester budget tracker for nursing students, or one-page interview prep sheet for new grads. Day 1, afternoon. Prompt AI. Create a concise, step-by-step resource with examples, checklists, and a one-page summary. Edit for clarity. Add 3 real-life scenarios. Export as PDF, Google Sheet, or Notion. Day 2, morning. Package it. Simple cover, table of contents, usage notes, and a 10-line quick start. Day 2, afternoon. Publish and distribute. Upload to Gumroad, Ko-fi, or Etsy at $9 to $19 with 2 screenshots. Post where the pain already lives. Subreddits, Discords, Facebook groups, campus forums, LinkedIn. Borrow audiences. Reply to posts asking for help with your exact problem. Share a free one-pager, link to the full product. Capture emails with a free sample, then send a 3-email sequence. Quick win, case example, then launch. Stop playing by their broken rules. Digital Products 2.0 means simple downloads, no inventory, no shipping,